Hey everybody, GL1 here, and today I have some more nifty Disney, Pixar, Buzz Lightyear, Hyperspeed sets to show you. So, on episode 159, I had showed you that I actually have the drone and that I would be showing you how that worked on a future show. And so here it is. So it comes with a Buzz Lightyear, and he snaps in, something like that. And just put him back in there. And then you have your remote, all right? And this is a radio frequency remote because it does not have an IR sensor on it, which would be like a clear window that would be sending a signal out. So it charges with the phone plug-in, the same, 5.1 volt plug-in with a micro charger adapter, and it has a lithium battery that's built inside the unit, and I'll be showing you that. Now, this is my first drone. I have been practicing with it. I'm not great at it, but I'm going to show you that. And I also have some other sets that I didn't have before. And this is a 2-pack that came. You have like a Jeep, like a Rover Jeep looking vehicle, which has like a laser blaster on top there, and that can turn. And then what you have on this is you have a little foothold, so you can take your characters and they can lock their feet in there. Now, so it goes between their feet, and then they kind of lock under there, and they mostly stay in place. And then they also have their chairs, and they have the little, you kind of wedge their legs in between there. And the characters are, it comes with a Buzz Lightyear. All of these actually are Buzz Lightyear characters, just with different colors. So it came with a white one of those. I think it's the guy sitting down over here. And then Alicia Hawthorne and Armand Diaz. Okay, so, and I didn't realize there were two Hawthornes because I haven't seen the movie. So, but as you'll see, they are different. I can only assume they are maybe sisters. So here they look different. And I think what's great is on such a tiny scale, they have the individual arms and legs that move. But on really fine painting on that, on how they look. Let's see if I can zoom in on these, get a little better. I'm going to get good resolution on that camera. Not really. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch to macro. No, actually, okay, I can't switch to macro. I can take a picture in macro. I can't do video in macro. But they're different, their faces are different. And let's see, this fella over here, Armand Diaz. All right, so, different character too. So, they're just not all rubber stamped out, they have some detailing to them. I will use the macro camera and take a better image of these. Put that at the end of the video. And I also got this big transport vehicle, Star Command emergency vehicle. Okay, so got that. And then that comes with, let's see, Mo Morrison and Izzy Hawthorne. Okay, so all along, this is, I guess this game is easy. I think I have my characters mixed up. I'm not so sure. I think maybe this is Izzy Hawthorne. Now that I'm, and this is Alicia Hawthorne, because I have another set that has Alicia Hawthorne. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. And then this is Mo Morrison. This tall guy compared to the others. I'll show you that. So He's taller. All right, so they all fit in the cab here. They lock in, and then you can fit four of your Buzz Lightyears in there. And then in the back, this opens up. And the only thing that I have a problem with is I don't know what vehicle is supposed to go in there. I don't know what you're supposed to store in there. There isn't anything, this won't fit in there. Now, they could have designed it so that it would, but they didn't. It'd be nice if there was, I don't know, like a Rover or a motorcycle or something that would fit in there. But it didn't come with anything, and I don't know of anything else yet that does, and maybe there won't be. They didn't show you anything on here. So, all right, so, right, verified right here. Okay, so with this, so that is Alicia Hawthorne. That's what came with this. So, all right, get myself together here. All right, so yes, so that's Alicia Hawthorne. Okay. And then Armand Diaz. Yep, I got that right. That's this fellow here. Okay. All right. So that's what that is. So now we know that that is the set, another set that is part of the Lightspeed setup. And I got this set here. This is an exclusive 2-pack of the XL01 and XL15. And I got this because, well, it comes in here. Okay, so you have your exclusive setup in there. So, we already have these. They sold this separately. But what it came with was this missile launcher. And let me show you how. So here's your button to push. So you push that, and then that fires the missile. Okay? But now this comes off, and we found out the bottom of these. You know how in episode 159, I thought, well, maybe this is for some kind of stand you can put them on, which I still think one could make that, and I probably will, but that locks in there. So then it can have a rocket launcher that comes with, it would be great if they sold these, you didn't have to buy a 2-pack of those to get one of these. If you could just, buy a bunch of these. Okay? But that's all that. And now we will get to our drone, Buzz Lightyear drone. So I'm going to turn that on here. It's got a little switch underneath. And it lights up. And it talks, not the drone, the remote talks. Now it makes quite a bit of wind, so I'm not sure if it's going to blow these little fellows around. A little people there, right? Okay, and it does a trick. It'll spin around in the air. I'll see if I can do that. This is your takeoff. This is your landing. Although you can use these to take off and land. So, but here I'm going to hit the button, and then it takes off. And then there it is. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. All right. You can hear the remote. I make it go down a little. Make it go up. I'm going to strafe it over the other way. Okay, we're going to try that again. As you can see, this is a little troublesome to be flying it at the same time you're using the camera. And there it goes. There's it. Oh, there it is. Make it go backwards. I'm going to try to make it do a flip. Hit the trick button. There you go. There you go. All right. And then I'm going to hit the landing. Well, it landed. Well, it lands on its own. So as soon as it hits something, it'll land. All right. So thanks for watching. That is the Buzz Lightyear Hyperspeed set. I got this drone for $15 on Amazon. I got this truck for $9 on Amazon, and I got this little 2-pack at Marshall's clearance for about $8. So, oh, and this setup with the 2-pack, this was, I think it was under $15 on Amazon the day I got it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon.